Welcome to Guru TechnoLabs, where we specialize in helping you bring your dating app idea to life. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps of developing a successful dating app. Let's dive in. Step 1. Conceptualization. Before starting the development process, it's vital to define the concept and unique value proposition of your dating app. Begin by researching the market, understanding user preferences, and identifying any gaps you can address. Define your target audience and outline the key features and functionalities your app will offer. Collaborate with our experienced team of developers and designers who will assist you in refining your concept, creating wireframes, and designing an engaging user interface. Step 2. Development. This is where your app comes to life. Our skilled developers leverage the latest technologies to create a reliable, secure, and scalable dating app. We focus on delivering a seamless user experience. Our development team works diligently to implement essential features such as user profiles, chat functionality, matching algorithms, and advanced search options. We prioritize user privacy and incorporate robust security measures to protect their data. Step 3. Testing and optimization. To ensure a high-quality user experience, thorough testing is essential. Our dedicated quality assurance team rigorously tests every aspect of your app, identifying and fixing any bugs or performance issues. Additionally, we conduct beta testing to gather valuable user feedback and make necessary improvements. Continuous optimization is key to enhancing app performance and user satisfaction. Step 4. Launch and marketing. Once your app is ready, it's time to introduce it to the world. We assist you in deploying your app on leading platforms such as the App Store and Google Play Store, ensuring compliance with their guidelines. To maximize your app's visibility and attract users, we offer strategic marketing solutions. From App Store optimization to targeted advertising and social media campaigns, we help you create a buzz around your dating app. Step 5. Maintenance and support. Our partnership doesn't end with the app launch. We provide ongoing maintenance and support to ensure your app remains up-to-date, secure, and functional. Our dedicated team is always available to address any issues and implement new features or enhancements as your app evolves and grows. We're passionate about helping you create a dating app that connects people and fosters meaningful relationships. At Guru TechnoLabs, we combine our expertise with your vision to build a remarkable dating app.